Attention of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen on this smartphone. First of all, select an app like Play Store and click on the square button. Now you need to hold your app and tap on this icon with two rectangles under padlock. After that, click on Home button and select the other app, like Settings. As you can see now, I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can do that by dragging the first app upwards and selecting Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!